The talk of the town is Ayurveda food, millets. The world is slowly but steadily accepting the millet food. The Indian mission to ASEAN, in collaboration with Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, is organized the ASEAN-India Millet Festival 2023 in Jakarta, Indonesia from 22nd November 2023. The millet-centric exhibition is being held as part of the festival, featuring participation from millets-based farmer-producer organizations, FPO, startups and Indian chefs. As a part of the International Year of Millet celebration, an aim of this festival is to raise awareness and create a market for millets and millets-based products among the ASEAN member states like Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand and Vietnam. Head of the Indian delegation, Dr. Maninder Kaur Dwivedi, Additional Secretary at Department of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, provided valuable insights into millet cultivation, processing and the business potential of these ancient grains. A major highlight of the event will be the live workshop by eminent chefs preparing millet curd rice, ragi brownie and cookies each day. The exhibition will continue till 26th November 2023. Nirog Bulletin.